Kung ikaw to, huwag ka munang mag-scroll at ituturo ko sa'yo ang 3 simple tips to level up your finances. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na hindi makatanggi sa iba, number 1 tip ko sa'yo is to pay yourself first. Bago ka gumastos, iset aside mo muna yung savings mo. Think of it as paying future you. Kahit 10 to 20% of your income lang, malaking bagay na yun. Ang sarap kaya sa feeling na meron kang savings, di ba? Just in case of emergency or may big goals ka in the future, hindi mo na kailangang mangutang. Next tip is to track your expenses. Minsan akala natin maliit lang yung gastos natin, di ba? So halimbawa, everyday kang nagko-coffee sa Starbucks. So kung ita-times mo yon like 160 times 20 days in a month, di ba? So sobrang laki na nun. At kapag tinotal mo yon, boom! It's a budget killer pala. Just a pro tip, you can use an application or a notebook para i-track lahat ng expenses mo. By doing that, makikita mo kung saan napupunta lahat ng pera mo. Trust me, it's really an eye-opener. So ako, I am tracking my expenses using Excel. So, doon ako nagta-track since 2021. And lastly, magpa-insure ka. Bakit? Kasi peace of mind ang dala nito sa'yo. Imagine, protected ka kahit anong mangyari. Plus, you're also helping to secure your family's future. Win-win, 'di ba? So, don't wait na may mangyari bago ka mag-decide. Kung magawa mo yung 3 bagay na yon, your future self will thank you for this. Ang money habits, hindi naman kailangan maging complicated. Just start small, be consistent, and you'll see the big result over time.